Hey YouTube, 1 second, let me just get down on this chair. Where's the lever? Hey YouTube, I've been crying. Yeah, not really, but yeah, I haven't done a video in a while, which is kind of sad. And I just wanted to give a shout out to my mate who also owns the account, but he's got another account as well, called Liam. Yeah, that's Mac one. I'll put an annotation on the screen or something. And he's been getting quite a lot of views, and we're both gamers, and he's been doing gaming videos. Personally, I love video games. Not a nerd, but I do love them. Very good. Quite like recording, quite like doing commentaries. I prefer burping because I think it just better, I suppose. So, since I haven't done a video in a while, and I've got 20 subscribers now, which really does make me happy. I don't really know what to do. Just PM message me or something. I guess I'll have to do a burp, something special, something. So PM message me, saying what you want me to do. But like burping and everything. Okay. I love you, YouTube. Okay, that was a fail at the end. 1 second. Oh yeah, this girl who subscribed to me called Amy. I just wanted to give a shout out to her, because it's not a good shout out. No, I really don't like her. So bad shout out. Boo. Don't say it's mean or anything. She's been leaving nasty comments on my channel. So I guess I'll do a bit for, like, not in that way, but you know what I mean. So, what was her name again? Oh yeah. Happy love, die. You suck. So yeah, if you didn't hear that wasn't very good, but I said Happy Love 999, which is a YouTube name, and I said you, and then suck, and then haha. So yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Just to end the video, just wanted to give you one last burp. Okay, thanks YouTube.